I just created the layout for Mix It Up Monday, and I have a whole bunch of scraps. So the question is, what do I do with these? These are larger scraps. I really like the paper still, not a huge fan of those, but this color combo definitely has my heart. So what I thought would be fun to do is actually use a page map sketch to make a layout, and then I can just put it into my binder and I haven't lost anything. And I might be able to get some cards out of it. So the big reveal, I did this layout here and it turned into this layout. So a little bit different, but I really like how it turned out. I have an aversion for some reason of white against white, so I did go ahead and outline each piece of paper. So I just went around the edge, and then what I did is I just added some gold and white washi, and it works perfect. So then I can add my two photos here. They can be bigger than the 3 by 1/4 and 3 by 1/4 in the sketch, but that is my base page. Now, I used big pieces, but I still had a lot of stuff left over, and so I decided to make some cards like I had talked about earlier. And this is one of my favorite ways to go ahead and just use scraps. So I was able to make 4 cards, and so I used some of the cardstock to cut out my word and then use some stamps. And this actually is one of my favorite stamp sets, and I think it's from Waffle Flower. So it's just a big hello, and it's got the hello in a die cut as well. So I don't necessarily have to stamp, I can just cut it out and you can still read it, which is fantastic. And then it's got little sayings that you can add to it. So this says hello sweetie, and then hello from way over here. And then this is my scrap. Am I going to keep this scrap? No, I am not. I'm done with this collection. I am done. I don't want to see it anymore. So unfortunately that's going to go in the recycle bin. And that's okay. I got some really cool cards. I thought this would be fun for maybe Father's Day. In my conversation with Melanie, you can look at that at the end of June. I'll link that conversation in the upper right hand corner. At the end of the video, we started talking about cards and what you put in the middle of the cards and those kinds of things. And I've decided that I would make the outside pretty generic, and on the inside I'll put the sentiment like Happy Father's Day or Happy Birthday or something like that. So by keeping the outside pretty generic, I can then alter my card on the inside for whatever occasion I'm sending this card for. Just a thought as you are creating cards and using up your scraps, because it is a great way to use up your scraps. So I hope you liked this and was inspired to go ahead and just finish up a collection by making a base page and then a couple cards. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.